Thank you for viewing Machinery Video. Today we're going to get a look at a 5L Gisholt Masterline super heavy duty hollow spindle turret lathe. This is a real heavy duty turret lathe. This machine has 75 horsepower. The machine has a cross-sliding pentagon rear turret. We're showing it rapid traverse right now. Real smooth, nice operation. The machine has 96 inches of available center distance between the rear turret and the face of the chuck, showing the turret index nice and smooth there, and locking in. And right now that turret's feeding in under power. Nice. There it is. I'm going to show the cross slide. The compound is feeding across. That's a heavy duty 4-way tool post. I don't know if we've mentioned, but that's a 9.5-inch spindle bore on a 32-inch 4-jaw super heavy duty chuck, showing that 4-way tool post indexed nicely, and then lock back in and clamp. So this is a super smooth operating survivor of a machine. The square bedways on this machine are in nice shape, and they're hardened bedways. This machine is equipped with a threading gearbox and a full-length lead screw and threading capability. We'll go ahead and change just 1 or 2 speeds to demonstrate the headstock. And there's a gear change just like that. We're going to do another gear change. You can't ask for anything much nicer than that. So this unit is available to inspect under power by appointment. And please visit with us at www.wigglesworth.com to view our new additions and our featured machines. Have a great day.